Hey people, so I'm at the Zing Cafe and Bar, which is in Radisson, Gachibowli, Radisson near High Tech City. And I have to say this, yeah, it's been 2 years since my channel is up and running, and we have more than 1,000 videos, and we go across the city, and certain places you're bowled over by the kind of hospitality, because honestly there are so many of these star restaurants in Hyderabad, but very few places you feel that warmth, it's very palpable, it's very so. This is one place I've seen, and in fact, so that's what he is kind enough, nice enough to come in the video
Very
with
good
me.
evening.
So
This is Naresh, events manager at
Yeah.
Radisson, Hyderabad, High Tech City.
And I have to say this, yeah, that sometimes that's what most often one finds, advertising in its most, it's here you can just sense the the real warmth that comes through. So I have to say, hats off. I mean, I think sometimes it's in the selection process. The people who picked, Mr. Naresh, they've done, as a person who's
Thank you.
visiting this place.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
And
so-
thanks for the kind video.
Yes,
So if you
I've
go
been-
across to our restaurants,
Yes.
you'll just
We could,
please
yes,
come
correct.
walk along with me.
Yes,
So I'll just go
Thank you for
to
the-
Waikiki.
Yeah.
It's a Polynesian resto bar.
Yeah,
So
since it's my iPhone, it records everything we're using. So that's what it's. I'm touched, because
we got a second place. If you just go, we got a Cascade all-day dining coffee shop where we serve a breakfast and lunch and dinner. So
quite
we
a huge
serve 100 plus items in every part of the meal, including
Correct.
breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Correct.
So I will take you across to my spread.
Yes. Oh,
Soup,
I think where my kid is. Oh, yeah.
salads
Yeah.
of different cuisine,
Probably I'll just.
and I'll take across to the.
So,
This is all the spread of desserts what I have.
yes.
We'll just pass around to the live counters.
Yeah, it's quite a long video, but
We do serve pizzas,
yeah.
different types of pizzas, pulaus, assorted rotis,
Yeah.
and we got a live counter of choice of flavored rice,
Flavored,
as
okay.
well as choice
iPhone.
of ice cream.
Yeah, correct. So, okay, and so,
Please visit Radisson.
correct. And,
Be a part of
uh,
with us.
yes, and how much does a buffet here cost?
We
You know,
charge
so that-
1250 plus taxes.
Okay, and that
for
is,
lunch or a dinner.
and if a person is a vegetarian, it's this.
The price remains same for
Same.
vegetarian as well.
And, okay, so there's no separate veg buffet or
no,
any of that.
it's a complete
Oh.
full-fledged buffet, elaborated buffet for vegetarians and non-vegetarians.
Correct.
So if you see the options what we give for vegetarians is also huge
Huge.
when compared to non-vegetarian. Because if you see, to satisfy vegetarians is a biggest challenge for us.
Yeah, that's what it's. Yes.
So
But this was seriously, this was so amazing. I mean, so people, this is Radisson at near High Tech City, Gachibowli, and I have to say this, that I am coming back here for sure, because when it comes to the